How to send stars on Facebook. If you're watching a Facebook live, you can have the ability to send a star to someone, giving them little tips, basically saying that you are enjoying their video. So I'm going to show you how to send stars on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your device. You tap at the menu icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, and it shows a different options. At the top, switch to live. Now you can go through the list and watch whatever lives you want to. You tap on it.
Toby.
Good. Now, if you want to share a star with them, at the bottom left, you can see the little star icon. You tap on it. You can send stars by hitting the send button to send star for the amount listed on your screen. After hitting the send button, it will pop up a little App Store ability, as you can see on the screen. So, just double click on the power button of your device at the right side of the device to charge the cards you have associated with your App Store. Then, you send over the amount, and you can also add comments with your star. Now you have successfully sent stars on Facebook. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more informative tips. Bye, and see you in the next video.